So DevFest is all about networking and learning, and we have these workshops happening, we have sessions, we have mentorship sessions happening over here. The idea over here is all of these students and professionals out there, they get an opportunity to come over here and really know what's in the cutting edge.
In the keynote session, Eric asked for everyone to, clap how many events they have attended. So I clapped 6 times for that. So I have been here too long and I have a very biased opinion. It's a very nice opportunity, to meet, connect, learn something new.
मेरे करियर के शुरू में इस तरह के कोई नेटवर्किंग इवेंट्स नहीं होते थे और I felt very isolated. I had to go in the international community to connect with them. So I'm really happy what they are doing at DevFest and bringing these type of mentors in to give the right type of guidance, help them mitigate on risks.
I think DevFest is so important because a lot of students, especially computer science graduates, when they come over here, they meet a lot of speakers, a lot of industry experts from Google, and then their eyes open up. They're like, oh my God, so much is happening in the world.
People, no matter which background they're from, whether they're fresh entrants into the industry or they're veterans or they've been there for quite some time, they get exposure to people from multifaceted domains.
The voice agent tech is, AI tech is like really top of the charts.
Cyber security is going to be very impactful. Pakistan में लोग मशहूर हैं hacking करने के लिए. I think we can get on the other side of it and be very good at security.
We've already seen how AI has completely improved a lot of things, such as from content generation to graphics to even software development these days. So I'm pretty sure that these are some of the industries that it's really going to uplift and improve the productivity in the coming years.
Recently, I started using Gemini, although I'm not connected with Google, but it has really transformed the way development is being done. From content to design to web page.
There are 2 areas that I think everybody has to focus. One is that now with AI, everyone is a builder. And how do you leverage this to build cool and awesome things that everybody wants? The second aspect of it is the change of work. And today my workshop was all about that. How does this change apply to you and how do you upskill yourself for this change?
So the coolest speaker that I've heard today is none other than Mashood Rastagar. I'd also mention about Waleed Arshad, who's also been my mentor when I was starting my tech journey in Flutter.
I really loved the workshop of Mashood. He actually was training hardcore engineers and how you would use AI to create products.
I really enjoyed the keynote that was given by Eric Bhatti, who was the founder of GDG Kulachi. And he really shared about all of the things that have happened and how much impact this community has made over the last 10 years.
I like the design talk from Yuza, I believe. I think the design team over there has a really great mindset and I could connect with them.
Obviously, their LLM models are really amazing, but the ecosystem that Google already has and the advantage they have in completely modernizing that ecosystem, I think बहुत interesting area है Google के लिए.
It's very hard to pinpoint one right now, but one thing is for sure, like there are a lot of AI tools in the market right now.
3 days ago, I started using Gemini to create web pages. I made that page just in 2 days. Micro interactions, excellent UI, excellent content, and I'm really hopeful this will be a trend-setting technology.
So Google is on the cutting edge of AI and I'm really enjoying not just learning about the technologies but also using them in my work every day.
Recently, Google has just launched Anti-Gravity, which is their AI-powered IDE, which is basically a platform where you can build and code, which is all AI-powered. So that's something really cool.
Oh, that's a hard one because I'm not a Gen Z. I think it's been really exciting and yeah, I think I'll go with excited.
Vibe coding is the one for me. Yeah.
आजकल सारे engineers को पता है vibe is a very important word and I've been hearing it a lot in the industry. In fact, so much कि मैंने अपने एक product का नाम ही Vibe Defender रख दिया है.
Yo team, we just slayed the entire event and I love the yapping and I'm not going to give you more tease onto it.